Hey folks, it's Greg Rice here at Nexus Property Management, and we would like to congratulate and welcome Nexus's next and newest franchisee, MJ. MJ has just completed his training here at our corporate headquarters and will be opening his office on the Florida Panhandle. He, like many people, sees and is taking advantage of the limitless income streams with our model. Okay, it's $25,000 for your franchise fee, 3 royalties, and you're off to the races. With a different model, maybe you want to buy a McDonald's franchise, you're spending millions to make $150,000 per year. It doesn't add up. Your break-even point is decades away. Our model is trim, it's lean, it's efficient, and it's brand new. So take advantage of your protected territory, your training, and your lifetime support. You're going to be successful if you follow the way that we teach you. Okay? So to learn more, check it out on the web, nexuspropertymanagement.com/franchise. And once again, a huge congratulations to MJ. You are going to be successful because you have the right attitude. Okay, so once again, this is Gregory Rice. We're here at Nexus Property Management, your property managed.